Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. There's a very popular saying in England that whiter is your bread, sooner are you dead. And this makes so much of sense. If you're diabetic, please minimize on anything white. White rice, salt, sugar, milk and normal rotis. So what usually do in my house for dinners is I try to add any leaf in my atta. So I take spinach or I take methi leaves, I grind it with water and I make green dough out of it, and this makes the rotis really very healthy and tasty. And rice also, what I do is I don't serve plain white rice. I add half a carrot or half a beet. Beetroots are really going to do wonders on your sugar reading, so try to include as many colors as you can on your plate. And all the mothers out there, if you want that your kid should be really healthy, you have to make them eat a balanced meal, because whatever a child eats till 18 years will decide how he's going to be in his 40s and 50s. So if you're really worried, if you really want your kid to be a healthy adult, then please take care of his meals. So on that note, we'll get started. Today's my recipe is spinach rice. It's very simple, very easy, very tasty. So let's go into the kitchen and get started. Thank you so very much.